Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. I'm happy you're here. I hope you're doing okay. If you're like, hey Cam, it's good to see you, but your hair, you look a little crazy. Thank you for your concern, but as you saw from the title, that's why we're here. I just woke up fairly recently and I'm getting ready for my day, and I wanted to walk you through what I usually do and what it takes for me to get my hair from this, which is actually not too bad. It's been worse, but taking it from this to something with a little more definition, a little more life, and how I can extend my wash days. As a curly girl, I usually wash my hair around once a week. It just kind of depends on where I'm at and what I'm feeling, but I want to keep my hair as happy and healthy as I can throughout those days, and basically keep it to the point where I don't have to keep threatening to straighten her. I do whisper every once in a while when she's acting up. I say, don't worry, I won't have to deal with this for very long because I'm going to straighten your hair. And then she usually kind of gets her act together. So we're gonna avoid that today, and I'm gonna try doing a little refresh with a newer product that I recently got that I'm really excited to share with you because I've used it and I'm enjoying it. This is the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Curl Refresh Foam. It requires not a lot of work, a little bit of dry time, but let me just walk you through it. Let's go. First, I'm just really lightly kind of running my fingers through it. I know this isn't the official way to really detangle curls. However, I also wanted to get you to see just kind of how long and stringy my curls have become. They're just kind of flattened out because they've been stretched by being in a ponytail. So I'm going to do what I can to get a little bit of definition back, and again, that curl and that bounce. Now, this Curl Refresh Foam is from the brand Tea Tree. Like I mentioned, it's a Paul Mitchell family brand, and it says to apply it on dry hair. Usually I'll apply water and just kind of have my curls come back to life as much as they can for that day, and just kind of hope and pray that the water does the job, because I'm really, in my mind, I would prefer to be low maintenance when it comes to my hair, but with curls, and if I want them to look a certain way, it doesn't work like that. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm gonna do it on my whole head, and I'll get back to you. Excuse me? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this body? This volume? This definition? Like, it's definitely not, super smooth, every curl in its own little coil. That doesn't happen to my hair a lot, and I touch my hair a little too much, and I like when it has a little bit of fluff and, different strands are kind of separated. So I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. Like I said, I have tried this before, and I'm glad to be using this again and getting the same results. And I just want to let you know that as far as texture goes, because I know some of you may have some concerns, especially using a mousse or a foam, sometimes it leaves behind a residue, maybe it feels crunchy or just kind of waxy. This feels very light, and it dries pretty quickly. And I think that's the beauty of it. They say to use it on dry hair. You don't have to get it wet, and this is even better, especially if you diffuse your hair and you use heat on your hair even to keep it curly. This just means that you have one less day that you have to put heat on your hair, because you can just put it in. All I did was apply it. I did kind of rake it through because I wanted it to get evenly on all of my strands. Then I scrunched, flipped my hair over, scrunched some more, and just did a little bit of this. How rude. And this is the finished product. This is the definition I have. These first pieces that were basically straight, because I always put these behind my ear or pull them back when I have it in a bun, are nice and have a little bit of curl back to them. Now, yes, these are not my full potential coiling around themselves curls. However, it has a lot of life back into it, and this is very wearable for me. This is how my curls are on a regular basis, especially as I stretch my wash day for, a week or almost two. So far, this definitely has my recommendation. You will want to rinse your hands off after you use it. I do feel a little bit on my hands, but not to the point where it's completely uncomfortable. Seriously, I can't stop touching my hair. It's so soft and it's so big. For this being, like day 4, day 5, I'm really impressed. Usually, again, because I put my hair up in buns or I braid it at night, sometimes it's intentional where I try to stretch my hair and just have it be a little bit calmer, but it's just not as cute and juicy and curly. You know, that's why it doesn't have some of the volume at the roots and things like that that I want right now. But I'm impressed. My biggest note and main takeaway for all of you beautiful people, I think this is going to be great on all different hair textures, whether you have maybe more fine, wavy hair, and it may work up to more coarse, kinky styles. I'm not sure. I've only really worked with my own hair, which is very fine and has like a 3A to 3C mix of curl pattern. But the scent, it is lavender mint. It's part of the Tea Tree whole lavender mint line, which I think is really like a spa experience and very luxurious, but it is very strong. So especially if you have a lot of hair or just long hair and you want to use an even amount of this, you will have to use a couple pumps of the foam, and it's strong. So if you're sensitive to scent, if your partner's sensitive to scent, keep that in mind. But also if they need to chill and you need to like virtually take them to the spa, just have them get lost in your hair and deep breath, and hopefully it'll be a chill moment for you both. They don't call me the love guru for nothing. No one does, but I can hope. Anyway, that took me all of, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't have to use any water. I didn't have to use any heat. I'm just gonna let my hair finish drying. I feel like it's 85% dry, and then I can go about my day. And oh, I love it, because usually you saw me take my hair out of the bun, I would have just rearranged it and plopped it back on my head for the day. And now I can go around being a little bit cuter, and I feel pretty good about it. So that's really it for today. I just wanted to bring you along that little process and show you what it's like managing curly hair, or if you have curly hair, show you a product that I'm enjoying so far that helps make keeping a wash go a little bit longer with very minimal effort. I'm truly impressed. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Wherever you are, whenever you are, please take care, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.